Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all are good. Today, we will learn the essay on Diwali in our English grammar class. But before starting that essay, do you know today's date? Yes, today's date is 5th December 2020 and day is Saturday. So, let's start a essay on Diwali. Students, but first of all, I will send you the thought for the day in a class group. You have to note down that thought in a notebook. Getting? So, shall we start our essay? Yes. Essay on Diwali. Each and everyone knows about Diwali. Diwali is a Hindu's festival. It is a religious festival. Okay. There are two types of festival. First one is religious festival, those who are followed by a special community. Getting? And second one, national festival. Some festivals are national, that is followed by all over the country. It doesn't matter Hindu or Muslim or Sikh or Isai. They all together followed the national festivals. What are the national festivals? Do you know? Yes, Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, these are national festivals. But here we are speaking about Diwali. Diwali, it is a religious festival as we all know. So, shall we start to write the essay on Diwali? Getting? Okay. Firstly, start. Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali festival है lights का. Is one of the most widely celebrated festivals of Hindus. This festival is mostly celebrated by Hindus. I told you it is a religious festival. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm throughout India and in some other parts of the world. It is celebrated in many parts of many parts of the world. With this festival are associated many lores and legends. That means there are so many folk tales behind the festival. It marks the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana and homecoming of Lord Rama after an exile of 14 years. What is it? There are so many folk tales behind the festival, and it is assumed that on this day Lord Rama had victory over the Ravana, and he came back from an exile of 14 years. 14 वर्ष का वनवास हुआ था श्री राम भगवान को. तो ऐसा माना जाता है कि वो अपने वनवास के बाद 14 वर्षों के बाद अपनी नगरी अयोध्या नगरी में लौट कर आए थे. आफ्टर एन एक्साइल ऑफ 14 ईयर्स मतलब वनवास हुआ था उन्हें. 14 वर्ष के वनवास के बाद वो घर लौट कर आए थे. As a matter of fact, this festival is the symbol of victory of the forces of virtue over the evil. लेकिन ऐसा माना जाता है कि ये फेस्टिवल जो है वो अच्छाई की जीत का प्रतीक है बुराई पर. अच्छाई की जीत का प्रतीक है बुराई पर. एविल दैट मीन्स बुराई. On the day of Diwali, there are hectic activities all over the country. दिवाली के दिन बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ होती है पूरे देश में. People invite their near and dear ones. हम अपने रिश्तेदारों को या हमारे जो प्रिय रहते हैं हम उन्हें इनवाइट करते हैं. On this day we worship goddess Lakshmi and enjoy with feast and burst crackers. क्या क्या करते हैं हम देवी लक्ष्मी की पूजा करते हैं इस दिन. वी वर्शिप गॉडेस लक्ष्मी एंड एंजॉय विथ फीस्ट और different types of sweets we enjoyed and burst crackers also. Diwali and lights the diyas. It is a festival of light over darkness. दिवाली के दिन हम क्या करते हैं? हम दिए भी जलाते हैं. और ये फेस्टिवल कैसा है? उजाले का प्रतीक है. अंधकार पर प्रकाश की जीत का प्रतीक है. Getting? So you have to learn this essay for your examination. Be prepared for your examinations. Best of luck. Bye bye. Have a nice day.